Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create swept path analysis in Autopath software. When designing roads, parking lots, or any transportation-related project, ensuring vehicle movement is smooth and safe is crucial. Autopath makes this process effortless, offering an extensive vehicle library and tools to analyze paths automatically. Let's explore how it works. Once you open your CAD software, head to the Vehicle Library button. Here, you'll find a wide range of predefined vehicles, each categorized by industry standard codes. Selecting any vehicle reveals its detailed specifications on the right, helping you choose the most suitable option for your analysis. But what if your project requires a custom vehicle? No problem. Autopath allows you to import your own vehicles or even edit existing ones directly from this button, ensuring you have exactly what you need. Let's dive into the analysis tools, starting with 2D simulations. You'll notice several options, including Easy Drive Align, and Continue Easy Drive. Let's start with Easy Drive, a tool designed for intuitive vehicle movement simulation. Once selected, a window appears where you can choose your vehicle. After clicking OK, another window pops up, allowing you to set path options: straight path for direct movement, arc path for curved motion, reverse path for backing maneuvers. You can even combine different path types seamlessly, for example, starting with a straight path and then transitioning into an arc. If you make a mistake, simply click Undo and you're back on track. Now, let's take it a step further with Easy Drive Align. This tool allows you to align the vehicle before setting its path, ensuring that its starting position is accurately placed within the design. And what if you need to continue an existing analysis? That's where Continue Easy Drive comes in. Select this option, pick up from where your last analysis ended, and extend the vehicle's movement effortlessly. Need to navigate a tight turn? No need to manually adjust every angle. Autopath has you covered. With the corner alignment tool, all it takes is a few clicks. Simply select your vehicle, then pick the alignment of the corner and watch as Autopath calculates the perfect arc path instantly. No guesswork, no trial and error. Just a smooth, precise turn generated automatically so you can focus on the bigger picture. Already have a pre-drawn alignment? No need to redraw the path manually. Simply use the horizontal analysis tool. Then, choose your vehicle and click on the polyline alignment now. Watch as Autopath automatically generates the swept path analysis for you. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can analyze vehicle movement, prevent design errors, and ensure safety, all within Autopath. If you're ready to enhance your design workflow, reach out to us at Present Trade for more details. Happy designing!